Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Dolphin jet and have a little bit of fun with her. Get her sorted out here. It's very windy today, so everything's getting thrown around. Now I also have this jet EDF Trainer in a 3-cell version, and I just hand launch her. I decided to leave the landing gear on this one. Actually, I actually hot glued it in, and once you get her settled in and you get off the initial shock of taking off, so to speak, and she'll fly around real nice. I'm only going half throttle right now. There, that's full speed right there. Very easy flying plane. Real plane there. Got a nice roll rate on her.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Like I say, she's the 4-cell version, so and she has no steering in the nose. The nose is just fixed. The gear is fixed, so there's no steering. So you just kind of have to hope you get her lined up and go with it. It's all you can do. But folks, I mean, come on. I've got about 120 bucks wrapped up. The model is 55. It's either 55 or 45. And you can get her a Dolphin, or a Dolphin. You can get her a value hobby, and that's just the basic kit. Is either 45 or 55. I really don't remember. I want to say it might even just be 50, but that's just the basic kit. Comes with all the hardware, and then I got a little 55 millimeter 4-cell fan with a 12 blade. With a matching, I want to say it's a 60 amp ESC. I know I could probably get away with a 40, but I always try to, if I'm going to buy the kit and put it together, I'll go with less. I'll go with more than what I need. And because that's just me. All right, got a minute and a half. But she's got a AR630, or I'm sorry, an AR620 antenna-less receiver in her. I seem to use them an awful lot. And you know, you know what? It might be an AR20, the 4-cell, the 4-channel one. And even I'm pulling a full right rudder, she still won't turn. But you know, I don't really remember what receiver. I want to say I put the AR620, but she's a 4-channel plane, so I may have just put the AR420. which would be the 4-channel antennaless receiver by Spectrum. Let's maybe I can see it. No, that's too tight a fit there between the battery and the canopy there. So we got just a touch of time left, got enough for another takeoff, and all right. Yeah, when she takes off, she takes off. When she breaks free, she lifts up quick, so you need to be prepared for that. And today the wind is cross runway, so there's no good direction to land. Either way, it doesn't matter. But there you go, folks. We're gonna call it quits for this one. And that's the Dolphin Trainer jet with a 4S setup. A lot of fun to fly, and very simple builds. Very good quality for such a inexpensive model. Very good quality. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.